points inside, outside, or on a circle. So this is best if you do it with some graph paper. Okay, so we have a circle that's centered at 0, 0. So I'm going to come over to my graph paper. I'm just going to snip it so I can draw better on it. Okay, so first, let's make a coordinate grid. Boom. Boom. Change to red. Okay, the question is reading. We have a circle that's centered at 0, 0 and has a radius of square root of 53. So here's our center. And square root of 53 is just over 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So somewhere right around there. 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is our approximate circle. Pretty good. Proud of that one. And we're looking for the point V that's at -3, -7. So -3, 7. We'll do it purple. So -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, it looks like it's on the outside of the circle. That very well might be true. We have to do some math to prove it. What we want to do is we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. We know that this distance is 3. We know this distance is 7. So by using Pythagorean theorem, we can determine our hypotenuse. So we'll do 3 squared plus 7 squared. 3 squared is 9. 7 squared is 49. Remember, this equals c squared. 9 plus 49 is 58. And then we square root both sides, so our hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 58. So we're going to see if that number is bigger or smaller than 53, or square root of 53. So it's clearly square root of 53 is smaller than square root of 58. So therefore, this point is, in fact, on the outside of the circle. Okay, let's go back to the drawing. There, that's the easier way to do that. Okay. Let's go to red. We have a circle that's at -1, -3 with a radius of 6. -1, -3, radius of 6. I thought I had a red pen in my hand. And so radius of 6, I'm going to count 6 all directions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's see which point they want us to find. -6, -6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, it's close. So we're going to check from our center. So from here, actually I'm going to change that color so it stands out. Let's go into, that's not the orange. Let's do, it's purple. I already have purple, sorry. Green. Okay, so we're going to do a Pythagorean theorem from there over to there. So we are going up 3, and we're going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over. So 3 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. 3 squared is 9. 5 squared is 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. And then we square root both sides. We get the square root of 34. The square root of 34, if you put in a calculator, is just less than 6. Because remember, 6 squared is 36. So the square root of 34 is less than that, which means compared to our radius of 6, we are actually on the inside of the circle. Okay, let's do at least one more together. Okay. So our center is -5, -8. And I'll just go back and forth. -5, -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are looking at -1, -3. That's on our circle. So -1, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to just do an approximate circle around this. That's a terrible circle, but. And then -11, -6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the point. So we need to do 2 Pythagorean theorems here. We need to do one going up to the point that we know is on our circle. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, and 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So 5 squared plus 4 squared, that's 25, plus 16, which gives us 41, and square root both sides. Now let's go to our other one. I'll do this one in, what color will I do it in? Let's do it in black. So we're going to go down 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 2 squared plus 6 squared, that's 4. This is 36. 4 plus 36 is 40. And the square root of 40. So our radius is square root of 41. And our point is smaller. So we are once again on the inside of our circle. Okay. Actually, I'll do one more because there's a square root in this one, which might confuse some of you. Okay, so we have 0, 0, 6, -4. So 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's our circle. And we're trying to see square root 2, comma, -7. So square root 2 is just less than, or just more, just a little bit bigger than 1, and then -7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know our radius, or actually let's find our radius. So we're going, make sure I did something right. So let's go over in black, not black actually, let's do it in green. Okay, so going to our point, we're going 6 over and up 4. So 6 squared plus 4 squared, 36 plus 16, which gives us 52, and it's the square root of that. Now let's find our other point. Remember, it was we're going over square root 2 and down, what was it, 7? Yeah, down 7. 7. So we get square root 2 squared plus 7 squared. Square root 2 squared just becomes 2. 7 squared is 49. Remember, these things cancel out. 2 plus 49 is 51, and it's a square root. And once again, we are on the inside.